Alright, as you can see, I got one of these. I actually purchased this from Newegg for retail price, which was surprising. So it's a nice little card. So, and then this is what I'm replacing. So this MSI 1080 Ti, which it's a good card. Still more powerful than the 6700 XT, but we'll put you there, little buddy. Alright, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed. I already sort of took it out earlier, so that's fine. Yeah, so I already took the bottom piece off, but yeah, this is nice little card. It's got 2 8-pin, which is alright. So, yeah, as you can see, this is indeed a 6700 XT, 12 gig. So, let's go ahead and slot this in my terribly built custom build. Got it screwed down, so now the power supply. That's in. Got my nice 32 gigs of RAM. And a AIO I took from another computer. Power supply back on. There we go. See, we got our drivers installed. So 6700 XT, Ryzen 7 3700X, and yeah, I was playing these games at 4K Ultra settings. So it's, but the card's designed for 1440p.